All right, welcome FES Nation. I'm coming to you with a tutorial and some free value that I'm going to give you guys today. So I'm going to show you how you can put some automation in your business to have some more leverage and time and income, and how you can build a list to take with you wherever you go. If you're in FES or any type of affiliate marketing or network marketing business, multi-level marketing business. So today I'm going to talk to you about this marketing system or sales funnel, which is called Lead Capture Page Boss. This is absolutely free. It does not cost you any money to invest. There's no monthly subscription, no monthly fee, and you can sign up for free right now. So I'm going to share you a few resources. I'll show you a couple of resources that you get. This system has tons of resources, and to get majority, if not all of these resources, you would have to spend at least $30 a month, or even $50 or $100 a month on another system to give you of these tools. So first thing I'm going to share with you in Lead Capture Page Boss is that you can create unlimited capture pages. You can build capture pages from scratch or use pre-built templates. So to do that, once you log into your back office, you'll click on your system pages, as you see here, and then you're going to click on capture pages. It's going to open up a new tab, and you scroll down. These are pre-built templates that you could choose from. They are pretty generic. Some are niche based and some are not. You can create backgrounds, plain picture backgrounds, or color background. You can create some from scratch, or you can use a slider background or a video background. I personally love video background capture pages, but I am going to share with you one that I did already, but just so you can get an idea of how to do it. So I'm using this one currently right now, but what you want to do is click on Edit Page Settings. It's going to take you inside where you can edit the capture page. As you see here, once you're done with the capture page, you can view it on the internet. You can duplicate this capture page for other people to use as well. Or if you do not like what you've created already, you can just hit this and restore the page back to default settings. So you scroll down. There's a tutorial video on how to create capture pages if you get lost or don't know exactly what to do, which I'm actually sharing with you what to do. So then you have page settings. Your metadata is going to be for SEO purposes. You can use description or keywords to help your capture page rank on search engines online. Then you also have form data. This is your opt-in field boxes. So you'll have a box for name, email, phone number, and there's additional boxes that you can include on a capture page. We're going to keep these two on, and we're going to turn off phone number. From my experience, more people opt into your capture pages if you do not ask for a phone number. And even if you do ask for a phone number, most people are not going to put in their real phone number. They're going to put in a bogus phone number, somebody else's, or disconnected number that they know you can't call, okay? Because people do not like to be sold. They want to buy, okay? So, moving on. Let me actually minimize this. And then we're going to scroll back up. I want to minimize this as well. So you scroll down. This is your editor. So this is just a simple capture page that I created. Okay, and I'm actually going to share with you what it looks like. This particular capture page, you could put a video in it. And I actually grabbed a video from YouTube. And let me scroll down. And page variables is where you will put in YouTube video, link, background image, and also something that I forgot to talk about is the page data here. This is where you will put in your FES link. It will go right here, your FES website, Financial Education Services URL goes here. Now, really all you have to do, because I've already created this page, there's already a template of text here, and all I did was just right click, drag, highlight, and start typing in the text that I wanted. You could also edit this in terms of color, the font style, the size of the font color, the font background, or the background of the capture page. You can bold, italicize this, underline. You can left align, center align, right align. There's all kinds of features you can do for this, guys. So take advantage of what I'm sharing with you. It's absolutely free. I'm still in shock that this company is not charging money for all these resources when most companies do charge. Okay, so once you get your capture page the way that you want it, all you do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Save Changes. And then to see your capture page, all you do is click here, View Your Page on the Internet. And it takes you to, it shows you the capture page that you just created. So I've actually created a background image for it. And I'll quickly share with you how to do that once I show you the capture page. So this is what I created here. So I simply grabbed a video from YouTube and I put the YouTube link in where it goes. Okay, so let me go back to capture pages. I already had it open. Your system pages, capture pages, and then scroll down to the page that I was working on. So this is it here. So we're going to click on it. Actually, what I need to do is, let's exit out this tab. We're going to go back to Edit Page Settings. This is what I want. Now, for your background images, you simply click this tab here where it says Background Images. And then here, you can click on any one of these and it brings up, you just kind of play around with it. It brings up different categories of background images that you can use. So we're going to click on here. These are different background images. They have tons, guys. And these are the different categories that they have. Houses, real estate, work from home, gold, silver, precious metals, families, debt freedom. Actually, this is one that I need to, this would actually be perfect for FES capture page or either work from home. So I'm actually going to change it. So let's find something that's debt. Let's see here. I guess we can use this one. So all you do is you copy this code here. And then you are going to go to Page Variables. And then where it says background image, you're going to delete this and then paste in the new code. Okay, there you go. And then we're going to save changes and view the capture page. Okay, and so it's kind of hiding it, but you get the point. Okay, so I put a video here. This is just for an example. I've just found the quickest video I can. This guy is actually talking about his credit score increasing from a 480 to a 740, and I'm assuming he's probably one of the leaders in the company. He's doing a business presentation and he's going over the history of credit. He's also talking about the traps of credit, such as collection agencies and all those things. So I do not recommend using this video. If you're going to have a video on a capture page, it needs to be very discreet, something that piques people's curiosity. You don't want somebody going to a capture page and they hear or they see FES, because they're not going to opt into your capture page. They're going to go straight to Google, straight to YouTube. They're going to find out what FES is, and people may not join because of the fact it is in direct sales, network marketing, and then you have the other people who are into that industry, and they're going to find somebody who gives a really good presentation, and they're going to join with that person instead of you. You do not want that. So if you're going to put a video about FES, I would have something short and sweet, a call to action with a message, okay? Well, message followed by a call to action. Basically branding yourself, telling people about how you can help people with their credit, something to that nature, but do not give a lot of details, do not give too much information, okay? So I just wanted to share with you guys how you can create capture pages, and let me actually go back to the dashboard here so you can see what all you get. You can actually connect an autoresponder. If you click on System Tools, it says Autoresponder, Autoresponder Variables. You can create your own autoresponder for your BizOp, for FES, or you can link a current autoresponder that you already have, such as Traffic Wave or GetResponse or Aweber. You can also send broadcasts that has statistics for your capture pages in terms of tracking traffic. There's tracking campaigns. You can create HTML forms if you're into that, if you're knowledgeable with that. There's also the Affiliate Center. This is where you go to send people your link for Lead Capture Page Boss if people want to actually get the free system from you. They do have the Guru Lead Crusher. That's a little bit more advanced in terms of getting traffic sent to your website and learning a lot more about Lead Capture Page Boss. But guys, this is free, so take advantage of this. This can definitely help anybody who's in FES or any type of home-based business, whether it's an affiliate program or network marketing. Lead Capture Page Boss can typically help you build a list because the money is in the list, and once you build a list, it's yours to keep, regardless if you stay in FES for the rest of your life or if you decide to leave and join another company. You don't have to start from scratch. You already have a list to market to. And this is what a lot of top earners in the industry do. They create a list, and when they decide to switch companies, they have a list of people to market to, and that's how they're able to hit the top ranks of the company very fast. Okay? So take care, guys. I hope that you gain a lot of value from this video. God bless. Take it easy. We'll see you on the next video. Have an outstanding and awesome day.